This is sharkbite half-inch T push to connect brass fittings. In this video, I'll show you how to connect the copper pipe and the PEX pipe, and I will disconnect it. First, we go through this step. You feel a little bit of resistance, and now you're touching the metal teeth. Let's push. Okay, now you push in a little bit. You pass through the metal teeth, but now you're touching the rubber ring, O-ring. And we keep pushing until this line reach here. Okay, now very good. You see the lines inside. The next step, we're going to do the PEX on the other side. The good thing about sharkbite fitting is you can connect different materials. There's a plastic tube inner. You have to put this one in the PEX. I feel the resistance and push in. Now we feel another resistance. Now you pass the metal teeth and keep pushing. Okay. Now push to the bottom. Here the mark I make a little bit too much, but you cannot push in anymore. And for the other side, the same concept. We push in all the way. So now it's finished. Then I will show you how to disconnect them. You just use the simple tool. It says sharkbite half-inch disconnector. You got opening here. You push in and you just push and pull. You push the ring and you grab the tube, push out like this. So push in and pull the pipe out like this. Same thing here. Push, push and grab this out. Push in and take this out. So thank you for watching. Hope this is helpful.